Hey, welcome to another edition of the Corona Creative. Last time I showed the step-by-step how to draw this nasty bug. I want to show you now another way to use the hand sanitizer. I'm hoping you all can still find some. If you are finished doing your hands, just leave a little bit on your fingertip and then just simply take your fingertip and press it down with the hand sanitizer still wet onto the paper. The alcohol in the gel sanitizer will act as a resist. Now I'm going to take the Dilutions ink spray, and you can use any ink spray. You can also use watercolor, and I'm just going to spray it. And look what happens. It's the coolest thing. I almost get a Corona-like shadow going around the fingerprint. This one up here I did a little bit ago with an extra drip of hand sanitizer, which I'm sort of horrified by because I don't want to waste this precious stuff. And here's the one I did in my actual journal page where I'm going to put some more writing about that. But I sure like the way that fingerprint came out, and I want to just remember how important hand sanitizer was to us these crazy days. For more tips and tricks and encouragement to stay creative even during this crazy time, please check out my website, jcmamet.net, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.